This is Best from Best Review Warriors. Hello and welcome to my Commission Seeker review. In this video, I'll be walking you through this new product called Commission Seeker. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell notification and like this video. But before I do this, let me share with you some of the bonuses you will get when you buy this through my affiliate link. Now the bonuses you'll be getting are list building experts, epic lists of YouTube niches, YouTube marketing made easy, WordPress tube monetizer, Fuego breakout, WordPress video page creator, YouTube traffic weapon, building your tribe, 5 ways to generate free traffic, and several other bonuses here which are congruent with this Commission Seeker. Now, if you stay with me to the end, I will show you why I'm offering you these bonuses. So now, what is this Commission Seeker all about? It is a detailed step-by-step training program that shows you how to make money using YouTube. But before you go, oh, but I cannot make YouTube videos, or I do not want my face on videos. I'll tell you, this method teaches you how to profit from YouTube without making videos, without even having subscribers. In addition, the training covers every aspect because the product creator assumed her audience have zero knowledge and zero experience in making YouTube videos. It is especially newbie-friendly, and the steps taught are not complicated. You definitely find huge value in this training. So now let us head over to the members area. Now we're inside the members area of the Commission Seeker. Once you get this product, this is how the members area will look like. Here you have the welcome video, you have the overview, you have how to set up your account, you also have how to do your research, how to make contact, your waiting. These are all aspects of this training that will ensure that you make money online using YouTube, even when you do not have followers and you do not even make videos. In all, there are 10 modules, and I have gone through each and every one of them, and I tell you, this training is highly informative with a lot of useful tips, simple and truly underrated method which you are bound to leverage on to make some money online. So if you are new to internet marketing and you want a simple step-by-step process that will show you how to make money, latch onto this training from the product creator Cynthia and learn these very unique steps that she uses to make reasonable commissions online daily. So if you think this product is for you, simply click on the link in the description below and it will take you to our bonus page that will look exactly like this. Scroll down and click on this blue button. Once you click on this blue button, it will take you to the sales page that will look exactly like this. So once you scroll down this sales page and hit this get instant access button, you will have the opportunity to buy this Commission Seeker. So now let me take you through this simple sales page. It says, learn how to make $186 in a day with this underrated method. I tell you, the method Cynthia taught in this training, though very underrated, is highly effective in making you commissions daily. It says it is a proven method. You don't need a website or an email list. It is 100% newbie friendly. Step-by-step case study training, no experience required. You don't even need to make videos, which is also true. You can send flood of traffic to your offers. You don't need to create products, and you work less and earn more. Well, that is also true because you'll be leveraging the work done by others. So scroll down. It says Commission Seeker is an underrated method that helps you make commissions starting the very same week, which also is true if you follow her step-by-step training program and you take significant actions. And it says you can truly use the commission seeker method to get fast results online, even if you have never made any money online before, which again is true. There's no experience required to make this method work. Everything you need is explained in the training, which is also true. So here she shows us proof of her earnings. It says make money with commission seeker in just 3 steps. Sit back and watch the step-by-step training. The second step, copy exactly what you see in the course, and then sit back and watch $100 flow into your PayPal account, which is true. If you take action following the steps that Cynthia has set out in this training, you are sure to make some decent commissions. So it says, do this if you want. It's optional. You said rinse and repeat. Truly, the steps that she has taught are very easy to follow, easy to understand, and are very actionable. So if you think this product is for you, click on the link in the description below and it will take you to a bonus page that will look exactly like this. Scroll down this bonus page. You will see this blue button. Click on any of the blue buttons you will see here on this page and it will take you to the sales page that will look exactly like this. Scroll down and click on this button. Then you have the opportunity to buy this product. So now, why should you buy this commission seeker? You should get commission seeker for the following reasons. First, the training cost is targeted at newbie and medium affiliate marketers. As a result, nothing complicated were discussed. Secondly, you do not need a domain name or a web hosting service to make this method work. This is because you only need a YouTube channel and this is completely free. So you can see why I have offered you in my bonuses YouTube related bonuses, several of them that will help you in your YouTube quest, even when you don't want to make videos. However, as we said earlier, you do not need to make YouTube videos to make this simple, underrated, yet very powerful method to work. Thirdly, you do not need an email list to make it work. However, I must tell you, for you to achieve significant mileage in your internet marketing business, you need to create an email list. And leveraging this commission seeker, you can easily create not just an email list, but a buyer list, which is an email list of those who are proven, who are known to buy products. And that is why I'm also offering you one of my bonuses that will show you how to create a buyer list. Then fourthly, you will have access to the product creators bonuses. So here in the members area, you will find the bonuses that Cynthia will be offering you when you pick up this product. It says best way to make money in 2020, and how to build a list fast. You see, we're still talking about building an email list. And she will also be offering you how to make money for free. Then the freebie page. So you see, you need to pick up this commission seeker so that you can get these amazing bonuses and my own bonuses. And again, one more reason why you should pick up this commission seeker is that it comes with a 30 days money back guarantee. So if for any reason you do not like this product, you can ask for a refund within 30 days of purchase. But I tell you, however, that you have no reason to want to return this product. So now, let me take you through the sales funnel. Now, the early bird price for the front end of commission seeker will be going for $7.95. And I tell you, this is a complete no-brainer, given the quality of the training, the bonuses you'll be receiving, and my own bonuses. For just $7.95 is a complete giveaway. Here you will learn how to make $100 per day with very simple, underrated, yet very effective methods. Then you have the OTO1, which will be going for $17. You will learn basic and advanced strategies to scale things up. And then the OTO2, which will be going for $37, will be the Commission Seeker Rolodex. Here you get premium resources from the product creator, Cynthia, to speed up the process for this method, so you don't have to do all the research manually, as we have here in the members area of this course. One of the aspects involves research. Especially as a newbie, you can spend plenty time doing this research. But if you go ahead and pick up this OTO2, you sure will be doing less research and you'll be making money faster. Then we have the OTO3, which is going for $67. It is called the Commission Seeker Reseller Rights. Here you will sell the product as your own and keep 100% commission across the entire funnel. Then we have the OTO4, which is the coaching aspect. Here you get coaching for 1 month, where the product creator will help you with anything you need regarding internet marketing. So if you feel this product is for you, I urge you to click on the link in the description below, and it will take you to a bonus page that will look exactly like this. Scroll down, click on this button, and it will take you to the sales page that will look exactly like this. Once you scroll down this sales page and click on this button, you have access to buy this product. If you have found this video useful, please click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and like this video so that when next we upload review videos as this, your attention will be drawn to it. Thank you for watching our Commission Seeker review video to the end. See you in the next.